Harden on the drive. Takes
Oh my God! Do you love the way I do when I'm loving you, buddy? Hey, do you love the way
most valuable player.
You're the real MVP.
Alright, so I came across this game called the Dunk City Dynasty. Lagi ko siya nakikita sa mga content creators pero hindi ko pa actually siya natutry. So I was like, okay, sige, check ko nga. Then nalaman ko na sila pala yung official streetball mobile game na officially licensed by the NBA and NBPA. Yun pala yung reason kung bakit nagagamit sila Steph Curry, LeBron, and recently under new update, they added James Harden. So his face scan is very accurate. So ito yung Rockets jersey niya dito. Pero isa sa pinakaunang pumasok sa isip ko was the gameplay, of course. And I wanted to see Zero. I'm actually a big fan of Harden. Isa sa mga ina-idolize ko because of his Zero step. So I have to see that. And when I saw it, honestly, it's super dope. Very unique nung approach nila. Very fast-paced din yung gameplay. Plus, ang angas nung pag-include nila ng step back niya because it's the actual double step back na ginagamit na Harden sa mga NBA games nila. It's that same move na ginagamit niya that made him won the MVP and a scoring title too. But not just Harden. May mga ibang players din pala na pwedeng gamitin. And they actually brought back the prime big three back then to OKC, which is kasama sila Westbrook and Durant. So makikita mo yung iconic Westbrook pull-up is there. Plus, yung KD jumper, hindi lang yun, you can actually wear their jerseys in-game too, which is super nice. And since free-to-play nga siya, you can try to take sa practice mode, even if wala ka pang unlocks. And ito yung nagustuhan ko kasi pwede ka talaga mag-test before you can fully commit. May mga deals din sila inside the game, and actually ngayon, meron silang Thanksgiving deals right now, so mas mabilis yung mag-upgrade kung trip mo. And yeah, I'm still messing around with it, honestly. It's super fun so far. And if gusto nyo siya matry, or if gusto nyo matry yung Prime Big 3 of OKC back then, download nyo lang yung Dunk City Dynasty and try it first. Let me know your thoughts. Peace out.